If you're experiencing low performance issues in League of Legends, you can follow these steps to help improve your game's performance. This guide will walk you through the process of disabling settings that may be causing the problem. Step 1. Open League of Legends client. Launch the League of Legends client on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Access game settings. Once you're in the client, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner to open the settings menu. This is where you can adjust various game settings to optimize performance. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. In the settings menu, navigate to the video tab. Here, you can lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and effects quality. Set these to low values to improve performance. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, music players, and other software that can slow down your computer while gaming. Step 5. Update drivers and software. Ensure that your graphics card drivers and Windows operating system are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your graphics card to download the latest drivers and check for Windows updates in your system settings. By following these steps, you should be able to disable low performance issues in League of Legends and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Remember to regularly check your settings and system performance for optimal gameplay.